your girl Danielle. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon to make sure your notifications are set to on. That way you get notified when I upload a new video. So for tonight's look, I wanted to do a candy corn inspired look. I am doing really easy makeup looks that anybody can follow along at home and do. Of course, I'm going to put all the products in the description box below, but if you don't have these products, feel free to just pick your favorite orange, yellow, and white colors, and let's get started. Ready? Here we go. Alright, you guys, here we go again with another makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to spray my face with some moisturizing spray, just because I was feeling a little dry. Hoo-hoo, look who remembered to use their primer today. So this is my Smashbox Primerizer. It's a primer and a moisturizer in one, and I really, really love it. Primer is really going to help with your foundation. It's going to help your foundation look smooth and not set into your pores. So we're going to go back in again with the trusty dusty Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then we're just going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Oh, psych. I guess I'm feeling special and going to mark off all my blemishes today. What am I doing? Apparently it's time for foundation, but why haven't I blended this concealer out yet? I don't know what I think I'm doing. Okay. Finally, there I go, blending out the concealer, which might I say looks really good. I think sometimes I like to blend it in with my foundation. Hello, yes, looking good today. Loving it. Okay, we're going to take that NYX Wonderstick and just do our cream contour and blend that in. Then again, back to my bronzer, my Tarte bronzer. Got to give us some more contour and got to bronze the forehead. I do also bronze underneath my jawline, just to make that jawline a little sharper. Alright, now you know we gotta set that concealer and help our contour just a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and do that with our Laura Mercier setting powder. Then we're gonna dust it off. Alright, so we're ready for shadow. So I'm going to go in with this white Avon shadow. I've had this shadow forever. I don't even know how long. That should be another video, seeing what's expired in my vanity, because I have had some stuff forever. But look at how good this color still is. Go ahead, Avon, go ahead. Now I'm going to use my pizza palette, and we are going to take this pretty orange. Its shade's name is so cute. It's hot sauce. So we're going to put a little hot sauce right here in the middle. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack it down just a little bit. I'm using this small brush. I've seen some people call it a packer brush, shading brush, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. So I'm just going to take that to put it on the lid, and we're not going to blend it yet, okay? We're going to move on, and I tried to use this yellow out of this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey palette, and there was no pigment. So I went back in with the pizza palette and got the shade Pineapple, and oh my god, honey, hello, pigment, because Too Faced was slacking. I don't know what happened. So now we're going to go in and blend, okay? So we're going to blend this yellow into the orange, okay? But we don't want to blend the orange out too much. Now we're just going to kind of blend it together. I kind of just wanted to put the brush on the orange, so the orange kind of blended together with the white and the yellow, but we don't want it bleeding too much. We don't want it blending too much because we still want it to look like candy corn, right? So now we're just going to take that orange and put it underneath our eye to define our eye. Oh, look at how cute. I love it. All right, now you know your girl need her mascara. I love this Tarte Maneater mascara. It's probably my favorite right now. There was another one, if you go back and watch my vanity tour, there was another that was my favorite, but I used it all up, so I don't have any right now. But when I run out of mascara, then I'll go buy some. But, I mean, as you've seen, but if you haven't seen, go look. I have tons of mascara. Yes, plump it up, plump it up, plump it up. Honey, them lashes. Now we're going to go in with my limited edition Bitter Lace Beauty Candy Corn Highlighter. Oh my God, look at that. And I don't like blending mine together. I like putting mine on straight out of the pan like that. And then we're going to blend it out just a little bit. And oh my God, hello, so cute. I never get to wear this, only around Halloween time. So I knew I wanted to do a candy corn look. I was like, oh, I got the highlighter for this. All right, so now we're gonna do our brows. I wanted to do brows a little differently today to show you that you don't necessarily need to use a gel. This is my Julep Brow Pen, something, I don't know. I'll link the name down in the description box below. But I love this. It's great for on the go, very simple. The powder is just, it like comes in a little top that goes on the end of the brush. It's very, very convenient for traveling. It's very, very nice. Now we're going to go in with a little bit of that highlighter, that white shade from my Bitter Lace Beauty highlighter. So I just took the white, not the yellow and the orange, just the white. And then we put that in the places that I normally put highlighter, and we're going to diffuse it. And now it's time for lips. Today's tutorial went so fast. So I started out with this NYX Duo pencil that I've never used before, and it's orange, so I was like, oh, well, perfect opportunity to use this. So lining went pretty good, and then I put this on and I was like, I don't like this. It was supposed to be ombre, so here you see me trying to blend it with a lip brush, but I don't know, it was just like not doing it for me. So I went to the trusty old NYX liquid Suede that I love. I'm not sure what shade this is, but I will link it below. Yes, I love it. And we are gonna finish with a NYX matte finishing spray. Oh, there I go. Something's wrong. Oh, gotta fix my lips. I'll probably fix my lips one more time before this is done too, I think. Yes! Isn't that cute? I really love the highlighter. Yes, we are looking very candy corn, sis. So this is a really cute Halloween look that you can do really, really easy. You know what I'm saying? You could even go out trick-or-treating like this. You could put this on your daughter. So easy. And it'd be really, really cute. And it's really, really fun. Or you could even wear this to work. It's so versatile. It's just a really, really cute look. Oh, someone's not happy with their lips. Let's see. Probably just extend it a little bit more. Here's the Scorpio perfectionist in me. I can't escape it. I'm like, nope, gotta be perfect. Jesus Christ, taking forever to do my lips. Sorry. But they're looking cute. I must say, I do think I needed a little correction. Because that side looks a lot better now. Yes! Cute. Very cute. I love it. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Again, it's hard to make these, so I really, really hope you enjoy them. Leave a comment below and let me know if you have tried any of these looks or like what you want to see more of if you don't like this. Or if you give me a thumbs down, then you should comment and tell me why. But yeah, so here is the fun, festive holiday look, and I will see you guys next time. Later.